Now back to President Bongbong Marcos and his latest foreign trip to South Korea. He went home with billions of pesos in investment pledges. More from this report.
President Bongbong Marcos described his participation in the 32nd APEC Summit in Gyeongju, South Korea as very productive. The summit focused on the use of artificial intelligence and climate change mitigation amid economic challenges and regional tensions.
I'm going home, all of us are going back to Manila with a lot of ideas to think about and some work to do to develop those ideas.
On the sidelines of APEC, the president met with major South Korean firms, including tech giant Samsung, which plans to invest over 50 billion pesos to expand its manufacturing operations in Calamba, Laguna. The project is expected to generate more than 3,000 jobs.
Buti na lang, meron na tayong batas na Create More. Because within the new Create More Act, there is a threshold where we say that if there is an investment of over 50 billion pesos in the country, then they are qualified to be extended incentives and tax exemptions. So they committed to that.
Samsung will also implement technology transfer and workforce training programs in the Philippines, partnering with select universities for research and skills development. A supplemental agreement was also signed between the DTI, PEZA, and Samsung Electromechanics Philippines Corporation.
Yung mga trabaho na binibigay ng mga companies na to, medyo on the higher level. So that means magandang pasweldo. So napaka-importante sa ating Pangulo.
President Marcos likewise held talks with shipbuilding leader Hanwha Ocean for the modernization of the Philippine Navy, and energy firm DL Group, which aims to partner with Meralco for a small modular nuclear reactor project in the Philippines. The president also met with Chilean President Gabriel Boric to finalize the Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement before the year ends. It will be the Philippines' first free trade agreement in Latin America. Before returning to Manila, President Marcos visited the UN Memorial Cemetery in Busan to honor Filipino soldiers who fought in the Korean War.